this? Structure of this wood. Wait, could this be one of the trees that stood here when Ron was young? It really was one of the grandpa's trees. I need to estimate how long it's been underground. Maybe I can use carbon dating to solve this. Alright, carbon dating is based on the decay of carbon-14, which the exponential decay formula, where N is the amount of carbon remaining from laboratory results, which T is 4 times, and the exponential decay constant lambda. The decay constant lambda is a fundamental parameter in radioactive decay. It represents the probability per unit time that a given atom will decay. In the context of carbon-14 dating, lambda determines how quickly carbon-14 atoms decay over time. The decay constant can be derived from the half-life of carbon-14. The half-life is the time it takes from the half of the carbon-14 in the sample to decay. The relationship between is given by. Let's proceed to the calculation. N equals to N sub 0 times e raised to negative lambda t. Setting t is equals to t1 half, we know that half of the initial amount remains, where n sub 0 over 2 is equals to n sub 0 times e raised to negative lambda t1 half. Dividing both sides by n sub 0, where 1 half is equals to e raised to negative lambda t1 half. Taking the natural logarithm of both sides, where ln 1 half is equals to negative lambda t 1 half. Since ln 1 half is equals to negative ln 2, we get negative ln 2 is equals to negative lambda t 1 half. Cancelling the negative side, lambda is equals to ln 2 over t 1 half. By substituting the known half-life of carbon-14, where t 1 half is equals to 5,730 years. So, ln 2 over 5,730, we get 1.21 times 10 raised to negative 4. Now that I have the lambda, I can determine the age of the wood. The sample has 78% of its original carbon-14. Now I can solve for the time. So from n equals to n sub 0 times e raised to negative lambda t, plug in the values of n, which is 0.78, the remaining fraction of carbon-14. Then n sub 0 is simply 1 or 100%, and the values of lambda in terms of half-life. So the equation would be 0.78 equals to e raised to negative quantity 1.21 times 10 raised to negative 4t, and then take the natural logarithm, and you'll get ln of 0.78 equals to negative quantity 1.21 times 10 raised to negative 4t. Solving for t, we get ln 0.78 over negative 1.21 times 10 raised to negative 4. We get 2053 or 2053 years. This wood is around 2,000 years old. It may have come from a tree that stood here centuries ago.
And my boy, you are using your knowledge to uncover the past, to connect with one was. This kind has always been a part of our family, and I am glad to see you honor it with your curiosity and wisdom.
Thank you, Grandpa. I will always treasure this.